So we're here at AMT London in Welwyn Garden City, and we're here to check out some very exciting electric cars they've got. I'm going to start with this one. It's a Model X. It's had a wrap on it, looks like a bit like a Nardo grey type wrap. It's also been de-chromed as well. And also it's got this gloss black front splitter on it, which looks really tidy, with matching side skirts and rear diffuser, which I'll show you in a second. It's got these 22-inch rotiform wheels, which look really sexy on this car. The old grey and black theme going on. Just take you down the side. Here we go, here's the gloss black side skirts. And it's also got a little lip spoiler at the back here. You see that? All de-chromed at the back. Looking really tidy. Very smart. And as you can see at the bottom here, you've got the rear diffuser. Around a bit so you can see a bit better. But yeah, we're here with Ciro from Petrolheadonism.
Hi Chargeheads, how are you? Petrolheadonism taking over the channel. Let's go look at some V8.
No, stop it, none of that. I mean, he might say an EV versus ICE kind of thing, but I like to see it as a kind of helping petrol heads see a bit more about electric cars and educate a bit more, so you know they don't completely dismiss it.
Electric cars, let's go.
Whatever. Which I know a lot of petrol heads do, because they don't really know a lot about them. So yeah, we'll be seeing some exciting electric cars today. That's just a little flavour. So Ciro turned up in an electric car and I turned up in the Chargehead support vehicle, which is quite ironic, as I'm sure you know. But you'd be glad to know I ordered an electric car last week, so let me off please. But he's charging up because he didn't manage to charge it fully before arriving. Got a couple of very nice Tesla Model 3s, dual motor there, upgraded wheels, different front bumper, some wing skirt type things at the back and rear spoiler. And yeah, it looks really tidy, black styling as well. And we've got this performance model here with all the lovely kit that's on that white one. It looks really smart. They've also got these different mirrors as well, which look rather good. But yeah, it looks very tidy, and inside you'll see the carbon fibre wrap instead of the wood. God, I need the Tesla. But yeah, we're just about to take these little beauties out. Say hi, Ciro.
Hi Chargeheads, how are you? Petrolheadonism taking over the channel. Let's go look at some V8.
How about new?
Yeah, so we're going to take out these beauties, the Tesla Model X we've already seen, and this RS. It's not an RS at all, but this e-tron. It's a 55, so slightly better range with the gold wheels, got wraps, got side skirts, bottom splitter at the front. Yeah, it looks really tidy. So which one looks the best though? Ooh, it's a tricky one, that. The gold wheels are doing it for me. The Audi, I think the Audi does look better. What do you reckon?
Actually, the Audi is the one I'm excited about getting into and trying it out.
So you're excited about electric car? Yay, we won!
It's going to be comfortable and it's not going to cost me anything.
You did say the word exciting, Ciro. Petrolhead into electric cars. Brilliant. My work is done.
No. Oh, right. That's on my wheels. Yeah, back to petrolheadonism. You know, I used to go petrolheadonism back in the day in my TVR, because he's only just down the road from me, Ciro. That's how I know Ciro. And some great events, and it's great to see Ciro he was getting excited. Ciro was getting excited about electric cars. I'll tell you now. He said the words exciting. I wonder if he's having fun in that electric car. Do you think he's having fun in that electric car? He's putting his foot down, so it's obviously feeling the tour. I mean, it's no Lambo, let's be honest, but...
So we've had a great day at AMT London today, and I thought I'd just finish off by checking out this beautiful Porsche. Now, people hate me for this, but what a fantastic EV conversion this would make. You know, roof down, sun in your hair, whizzy noise, and yeah, it looks very tidy indeed. But yeah, it was a great day at AMT London today, and no doubt you'll see some footage on Petrolheadonism if you want to see a bit more of the video action there. But hopefully you enjoyed the video, and it's great to see companies like AMT London doing exciting things with electric cars. More from them, I'm sure. Anyway, see you in the next episode.